All right, so we got a fully built 66 SS, fully restored. They're finishing it up, but he's like, I can't finish it till I finish the exhaust. So he brought it to us, big block. So as you guys can see, it's got long tube headers. They were new, but it's just been sitting from getting worked on. So we ran from the long tube headers, 2.5-inch pipe into his Flowmaster 40s that he brought. They are in there. And then he dumped it for now. He said he's gonna come back once it's all done and we're gonna do a Valtronic system for it. But right now he just wanted Flowmaster 40s put on it, just to get it quietened down a little bit. No more coat hangers. There was coat hangers on it holding it up before. There it is, nice and done. So stay tuned, we're gonna let you guys hear it. It still needs some adjusting, but I'm gonna have him start and give it a little bit of gas for you, okay? Much better. Now it sounds classic. It's got no more leaks now. It sounds good. What a beast. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 101. That's classic Flowmaster tone. Yeah, that's what it was on it before, guys. Just 2 pieces of pipe into the mufflers. Definitely a lot better. It still needs adjusting. Yeah. That sounds really clean. Look at the inside, guys. This thing's fully custom. Look at that. There's the 4G autos. Give it gas. All right. Some big wheels on this car, man. Wow. I'm surprised they don't rub. There he goes. Sounds good. Looks good too.